Hello, in this video, I'll talk about how to register on Etsy with the company we established in America and how to appear as an American seller on Etsy. First, if you register on Etsy using the link in the video description, with this referral link, both you and I will receive 40 free listings. As you know, listing, that is product listing, is paid on Etsy. It's about 20 cents per listing. So if you want to list a total of 40 product examples, it will cost you approximately $8. You'll be doing this for free. After clicking on the referral link, a page like this will open. And here you can see the text stating that the first 40 products will be listed for free. Then I press the open button. You will enter your information here. After entering your information, let's continue. Yes, then a page like this will open. I start by clicking Get Started here. I click on Let's Do This. I'm quickly passing through these parts. I clicked Start Your Shop. Okay, now we've reached this stage. At this stage first, these parts are in English. Our country is America. If we established our company in America, our currency will also be in dollars. Then I click Continue. You will enter a store name here. You can change your store name later, so the name you enter now is not very important. Now I will write this here. Then I continue. Now on this page, it asks how you will receive payments from Etsy. We will enter information about this. First, our bank is in America. If you watched our series, we opened an account at Mercury. We will enter the information of this account. Then I select Incorporated Business here. Here I will enter my information. What information is this? We will enter the name of our company here. Then you will enter your legal address here again. You will enter the legal address of your company registered in Northwest. Then when we select America here and enter the information here, we select New Mexico at the bottom. We established it in New Mexico. And here it asks for EIN and business registration number. We got the EIN right after establishing our company. We showed how to get it for free on the channel again. You will enter your EIN information here. The business registration number here is a number found in the documents related to your company establishment. For example, what kind of number? Now I will show this. For example, this is my company establishment file. You can always access this from the Northwest panel on the Documents page. The business ID written here is the number Etsy wants. You can take this and directly copy it to the other section. After entering the EIN, you will continue to enter your name information at the bottom by checking the box here. You will write your first and last name here because they may ask for a passport or an identity verification. At the same time, you will write your address in your country here, your home address. Since they may ask for proof of these, you need to enter it in the same format as your address on an internet bill, for example. Later, when you send this internet bill to them in case of any suspension to ensure things can be resolved easily to ensure the same address matches. You will also write your phone number here. You will enter your date of birth. And then you will continue by clicking Save and Continue. Now I'm entering this information. We continue from this page. When I scroll down, where is your bank? Selected as United States. I scroll down. Here we need to connect our bank. I press the Connect Account button. I click Continue. I continue. I select Mercury from here. I said I'm not a robot. Now I will log into my Mercury account. Now after connecting to the Mercury account, a text will appear saying your bank is connected. Then I will continue by clicking Save and Continue. Yes, there are identity verification steps here. We will do these steps one by one. It asks for a photo of our ID card, then a selfie. And then it asks us to complete our shop. Now let's do these in order. I click on the Continue with Persona button. Here you can select the first option. After selecting this, verification steps will appear. Now we verified our identity, then I say Continue. It mentions some fees here. A one-time setup fee of $29. It wants us to pay this now, saying it's for various security measures and to invest in new vendors. Then there are fees to be paid later, starting with 20 cents per listing. Of course, since you currently have 40 listing fees, you won't pay this now while listing. And again, it mentions some commissions at the bottom. Commissions taken from payments. I understand these, I click Continue. Now it asks for my card information to make the $29 payment. I will fill these out now. I entered and saved my card information. Then this option appeared. It asks if you want to sign up for Etsy Plus for $10 a month and mentions some benefits here. I don't think these benefits are necessary for now, so I will continue with the second option. Here it asks for two-step verification to keep your account secure. You can choose SMS, you can choose phone. I will choose app. I am using Google's app, then I will continue. Now our store opened successfully. I will create a product. I click on the Add a Listing button from the top right. I will select Guide from here. I will sell a digital product. I did it, a finished product. Something I made recently. Made by me. I click Continue. Now I will create a test product here, so I will write test everywhere here. Now I will add a digital file just for an example. I will create my product this way. By writing test information, I also enter the random price. Of course, you need to fill in all the fields here. As you know, the details of listing are very important to sell on Etsy. There are also many videos about this on YouTube. You need to watch them one by one and do this listing in a very detailed and correct way. I am creating it as a test for now. I choose manual. Yes, for now, let's say publish. Let's see what it says. It says it may not appear because you added one photo. Now I will click skip and continue. I say publish. I refresh the page. Now the product has now arrived here. I click on the View on Etsy button for this. Now our product is currently actively listed on Etsy. When I scroll down, you can see it in the America section here. Now our product is technically ready. Our store is technically ready. You are now seen not only as an Etsy seller, but also as a global seller with an official presence in America. If you register your company with Etsy in America, it will have advantages both in terms of reliability in the eyes of customers and in receiving payments. Of course, these product listings should be worked on in detail and listed in detail. There should be professional photos and even videos. Titles and descriptions should be compatible with SEO and tags should be used. I'm also thinking of making a video about these. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. You can also access videos on our channel about the most cost-effective company setup in America. I wish you all an enjoyable trading journey where you earn in dollars